First announced at IFA in August 2018, the Eve light strip is finally a reality. We go hands-on at CES 2019. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we have the Eve light strip that works just like all of the Eve products with Apple's HomeKit, and with Apple's HomeKit exclusively. Unlike much of the Eve lineup, the Eve light strip works over Wi-Fi, so you don't need that constant close Bluetooth connection to make it work. Wi-Fi allows it to be much quicker than some of the other Bluetooth accessories. Inside the box, you're going to find a lot of what you would expect from any light strip. The light strip itself, the power adapter, then the controller that connects the light strip to the power. Printed on the side of that controller is going to be your HomeKit pairing code, which is also kept safe on the little booklet that's included in the box. Because this is Wi-Fi, the setup process should be just a little bit longer than it is with any of the other Eve products that rely on Bluetooth and have that direct connection. Eve, where with the Wi-Fi, you still have to go through the setup process of adding those Wi-Fi credentials to the product itself. The light strip is 6.6 feet in length, so 2 meters, and 4 additional light strips can be added to the end for a total length of roughly 33 feet. Just like with a few others on the market, it can be trimmed back to get a shorter length if that's what's needed for your installation. You can see there we have that little scissor mark. This can be trimmed in 1 foot intervals to match your counter or up above your shelves, whatever you have that you want to mount this to. You can also see those 6 pins there where those extensions will plug in, adding extra length to this if you have a larger surface to cover. There are millions of different color options for the Eve light strip, just like with the Hue and the other ones out there. But the brightness here is pretty unmatched, and it can output at 1800 lumens, which is very, very bright. The Hue setup, which is one of the best ones and comes in at a very similar price, is only 1600 lumens, so it's a little bit brighter at the same price point and doesn't require a hub. What's more beneficial is even as you extend this, it still keeps that same 1800 lumens throughout the entire light strip. Other ones on the market that maybe aren't as nice as this one, they lose a little bit of that brightness, especially down the line as more extensions are added. Even as you add 2 extensions to this over 18 feet, you're still going to get that 1800 lumen output. Since this works with Apple's HomeKit, it will now show in the Home app, and you can tie it to any other type of accessories that you have at home that are in that HomeKit ecosystem, whether it's a HomeKit button or a HomeKit motion sensor that can trigger these, or you can just control them using your voice. We'll have a more in-depth review in the coming months as this thing is actually released. It'll start shipping in February of 2019, running I believe around $80. On top of this, Eve also just announced a brand new Eve Energy Strip, basically a surge protector that you can also control individually using HomeKit, so be sure to check out that individual video. We'll go through all of the details of that really awesome HomeKit accessory as well.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.